Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's going to be a reading for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and throw out the rest. Okay. Let's see what's going on for my Scorpios. It's going to be a little bit of a different reading, so please remember to take what resonates and throw out the rest, okay? I do have readings on sale right now, half price, so get with me an email if you're interested. Bad health, concern, thief, and a privileged lady. Oh, poor thing. Now, I get it. Because right off the bat, I'm understanding this. So, somebody's concerned about their bad health because they tried to steal it from you. So, they tried to put you in bad health. Whoever this privileged lady is, this is somebody who can afford practitioners. Okay? Practitioners aren't cheap. Thousands of dollars. They charge for them to light a candle, or for them, hell, I talked to one time, and she wanted to charge me $600 for one candle, $3,500 for a crystal. I can buy my own crystals for $3,500. So understand, these practitioners are neither here nor there. They do not hold a bias. They will work for anybody who pays them. This person could afford it. They were trying to steal your destiny. And now they're concerned because whatever bad health they tried to put on you or steal from you is coming back. They're concerned, and they should be. I'm feeling another Scorpio here, so be aware of that. Not all Scorpios and not all signs are created equal, and they don't have to be a sun. They could be a moon, a rising. Somebody's very concerned about what they stole because they can't give it back. They took it. The energy, they took it. They can't give it back. Your body language says so much. What, the big middle finger? In that moment, I didn't care, and I'm different now. Sure you are. You're different now because you're going to reap what you sow. That's why you're different. I'm sorry. You're damn right you are. I wish you would come back. So this could be an ex that did this because they lied to you. Liar. I love myself enough to walk away. No, you just love yourself, and you didn't care who you hurt. You're caring now, though, aren't you? And I've been struggling. I hope you're happy for me. What, that you're rich and you're sick because you're a thief? Nah. Nah, I'm not. I'm not. I'm sad for you. I'm sad for you because this could have gone a whole different way. But you decided to make a very, very bad, very, very poor choice here. Like I said, I feel like they paid a practitioner to make you sick so they could steal something. What were they stealing? Your love story. They wanted your love story because they're insecure. Could have even used some kind of pregnancy test, even faked it. Maybe that's why they're sick. Or that they might actually be pregnant and it's making them extremely ill. Because it was a stolen energetic exchange. That never works out for somebody who's trying to take from another person. They're going to get caught. They're going to get found out. Because there's some kind of evidence left behind here and an investigation by the police. Oh. Oh. Whoever you are, I hope you paid that practitioner to get the police to stop following you around because they're watching everything you're doing right now there, Karmic. This is stupid. These people are stupid. This was online, and there's evidence. A recording. Whatever they tried to do to you has been recorded and noted by the police. They tried to exit you, tried to keep you in the backlight, betray you, trying to keep you a secret so they could steal your love story. Deceit, backstab, traitor, not to be trusted. You can say that again. You can say that again. Don't trust this person. Don't trust anything they got to say. Even the person that they stole from you. Don't trust them. Because they were brainwashed and manipulated. And they fell for it. They fell for the okie doke. Now they're trying to run away. You can't run from your own karma. Because that came from within, babe. That came from inside. And it shows on the outside. So that it is what it is. You cannot run from this. Whatever you stole, you can't even give it back. Because my collective don't want it back. It's all sick and twisted and disgusting now. Why would they want it back? So if you took their person, you sickened them through your... You might even... You might lose them to an illness. So what'd you win? Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. They wanted your abundance. They wanted your love life. They wanted your once upon a time. Oh, they got it all right. It ain't working out like they planned. Because you're still the Queen of Cups and you still got a full cup. And they're running away because whoever they got in cahoots with betrayed them out of them. Probably the person that they stole from you. The challenge here is they lied about being a star. They lied about being you. They lied. And they tried to exit you. Didn't realize you was the death card. They tried to cause you some kind of health concern, some kind of, yeah, and I got this for Pisces too. They tried to open your chest. I'm seeing somebody have like a heart attack here. I've seen that in a couple of readings now. Somebody's having open heart surgery. It could be the person that they stole, the person that they did the bibbity bop with some kind of practitioner. So they're going to lose them anyway. Page of Cups. And my condolences because there are innocent people involved in this. But see, that's what they don't take into account. They just want what they want. So they pay thousands of dollars to a practitioner who is unbiased. They'll just take the money. And by them getting paid for it, they escape the karma. They're just doing their job. Yeah, somebody wanted your power. They wanted your star energy and they wanted your empress energy. They wanted to dominate it and they wanted to size you up and take it from you. Darth Vader. It ain't working out too skippy for them now. Could be an Aries, could be an Aquarius, could be a Libra Taurus. Immediate future, they're going to try it again. The stars are aligned here. It will backfire immediately. You will know who this person is because their whole life is going to fall apart. Their whole life is going to fall apart and they are going to walk straight off that cliff. They're going to try it again. This is a bully. This is somebody who thinks they have some kind of control in the fifth dimension, and they don't. They gave up their spot by delving into some kind of dark magic or dark manipulation here. And whatever they were slipping in that person's food that they took from you, like I said, they can't even give it back. You don't want it. It's tainted. Tainted love, oh, tainted love. Don't touch me, please. 'Cause I cannot stand the way you tease. Domination in reverse. This came in upside down. They weren't able to dominate shit. And you being called to the forefront. They'll send you a message because they know they can't beat you. So instead of trying to beat you, they want to join you. Don't attach yourself to this energy. They're going down. And you don't want any part of it. Like I said, that's tainted. That's dirty now. And if you engage in this, you're engaging in the dirtiness that they have inflicted upon that person. Whether you want them back or not, I mean, it's up to you. I can't tell you what to do. I can't tell you to make that decision on whether to take this person back or not. But they were not able to dominate you because you went within to seek your answers. And they're going to be exposed for the manipulation that they did behind the scenes. It's recorded. It's written in stone. Whether this person's on social media or not, any communication that they've had with other people has been recorded, and somebody set them up. And you're going to find out about this. This is somebody in the limelight. This is somebody who has some kind of reputation that has been using their money to try to manipulate the 3D. To try to be your game master. It has completely, totally failed. And they can't do anything to you anymore. So the hope or the fear here is that they're going to be able to ride in on their chariot and keep you from walking away. The Hanged Man and the Eight of Cups. They're going to try to keep you from walking away from them. They're going to say, it wasn't my fault. It was the fault of this person that fooled me. But they're dirty now. They're dirty now. So whether you take them back or not, that's going to be up to you. But they're dirty now. They got themselves dirty with this person who tried to steal your love story. And as far as I'm concerned, they changed the paradigm, and you will get a new love story out of it. Because whatever they got dirty. I feel like this person's on drugs too, like real drugs, like hardcore drugs. Yeah, I'm seeing like, Breaking Bad, where that guy got into doing the boom boom in the arm, and his girlfriend choked on her own shit. That's what seems to be happening here. Maybe it's the person that did this that's choking on their own shit right now. Integrity wins. Final outcome. But it doesn't mean the devil ain't gonna try. Okay? Because their person choked on their own magic, their own manipulation. Now they want to come in and seduce you because they see you as the one who's standing in their integrity, the one who stood up for themselves. And despite being pushed down, you got back up. Now they want to try to make it up to you. There's the truce, and there's the Queen of Swords, who's going to block them. You're protected. You're protected from this energy. But if you engage with it, if you choose to give this person another chance, I can't tell you what to do there. I really can't. Because you might really, really love this person. You might be the one obsessed with this person. Somebody's obsessed with what you do for a living. They want to be part of your world. Part of your world. And you're looking the whole other way. The Two of Pentacles. Your paradigm is changing because you chose to work on yourself. You chose to work on your own toxicity. And you didn't fall for this. Whoever this third person was, they thought they were going to beat you, but you were emotionally balanced in relationships. This person could be of a different nationality than you, or a different race. Oh yeah, somebody's fighting for their survival right now. What is this Aries energy, this leap of faith? This person's about to go off a cliff. They might even drive off a cliff because they sick. They really sick. 44. Confused about how you were able to heal and put your heart back in your chest, no matter what they were trying to hold on to, which was your love story. And they're confused about why they about ready to jump off a cliff. I'm seeing somebody literally drive off a cliff rather than face their karma. Oof, that's hardcore. They would rather end their self than have to face the music of what they've done. Because they've got no power here. They've lost it all. They've lost their power over the person that they tried to take from you. They've lost their power over their own life. And they're very, very sick. I'm hearing a demon pregnancy. It ain't even this person's baby. It was a deal they made. They made the deal. You were protected because this was a very toxic deal. You protected yourself. You protected your heart. And I do feel like you're up in your head about this because it's a real hard decision. It's a hard decision because you love this person. So this is a hard decision for you to make because you know you hold the power now. You hold the power. This person, they're dirty now because they allowed themselves to be tainted, to be used as a pawn to try to destroy you. And I feel like they was fed something that made them sick. And I don't even feel like if this person is pregnant, they're too old to be pregnant. I'm getting somebody's in their 50s and they're too old to be pregnant. And it was like an artificial type thing. They didn't realize that it was like Rosemary's Baby they were inseminated with. And it's going to kill them from the inside out. Did I say that? Unalive them from the inside out. It's rotting their living body from the inside out. And this person that they interfered with can smell it on them. Ooh, and they don't want anything to do with this person. Can't say as I blame them. But like I said, they're dirty now. They engaged with this person. They went along with it. They may have even married them. You moved away from it, but you're about to get a message from this person. They may even show up at your house. I do feel like they're coming from a long distance away. Like I said, they could be of a different country, a different nationality. It's Virgo and Cancer energy. Three of Pentacles. They want to work something out, but it's a lie. They're trying to get away with something. They're trying to sneak away from this other person and make themselves single so they can be available to you. But like I said, they're already dirty. So whether you take them up on their offer is going to be up to you. I can't say that I would do it, but personally I wouldn't. But you know, maybe you really, really love this person and you're willing to work things out. I don't know. But they're dirty now. And they went along with this. The hope or the fear is that you'll accept their offer. Because they're gonna come rushing in. With that Chariot and the Knight of Swords, they're coming rushing in. To see if they can change your mind. Queen of Cups. You can love them from afar. But like I said, I wouldn't recommend taking this person back, but I'm not you, so I can't tell you what to do there. They didn't get the money. They didn't get the inheritance because they chose wrong. So now they're in a lot of deep regret. Because they didn't choose the real star. They hurt them instead. They hurt their own wish fulfillment. Because they believed this witch who was hiring practitioners to try to make you sick. But I'm seeing somebody face surgery, an open heart surgery, and possibly a pregnancy of like Rosemary's Baby type shit. That's brutal, man. That's brutal. Let's see what we got from the Psychic Tarot here. I missed one. Throat chakra. Speak on it, baby. Time to change this paradigm. And Eight of Cups, that ass. Emotional withdrawal. This person is very, very mentally conflicted. That's why they're telling this person, I gotta walk away. They put them in some sort of mental conflict. They were supposed to be a leader, but now they're heartbroken and suffering in silence. because they know what's coming next. It's going to affect their base chakra, their stability. With their third eye, they now see that you were the answer the whole time. You were their Four of Wands. You were their Empress. You were their angel. Now, whether you choose to be an angel of mercy, it's going to be up to you. It's going to be up to you. But I would choose wisely at the disruptions that you allow in your life, because this person sacrificed your heart. Somebody is going to go through a very, very serious heart surgery, and I don't know if they're going to make it or not. My guess is they're on their way out. And there's a lot of people who practice these sort of things that are going to be leaving, because they're going to have to wash, rinse, and repeat, because the choices that they made were not for their highest good. I'm going to get you Pleiadian card for your advice, and that will be your reading. Wow. Got some serious mistakes people are making here. As above, so below, and they're seeing that now. The choices that they made are the same choices that are being distributed at this time. Like I said, practitioners are they're they're not included because they're not biased. They just do what they get paid for. And somebody got paid. But there's a portal that's opening for a planetary guardian, and I would suggest you go through that portal. Do not allow this person to keep you from going through that portal, because that is what they're trying to do. They're trying to keep you in the 3D with them. But you need to fly like an eagle or an owl, whichever comes first. Let's see what it says, and that'll be your reading. It says, on your planet rest many hidden entrances, which your ancient ones know of in order to travel and bilocate to locations far beyond the capacity of your current technology. Often found in mountain caves, cenotes, and other access points that point inward. Many were teleported instantaneously across opposite spectrums of the planet to these portals. I gotta lay it down because I can barely see it. In space, these portals also exist, which many of your... Gosh, my eyes are going blurry, guys. I apologize. Focus. Which many of your scientists refer to as wormholes. These wormholes are well known to what does that say? Starcrafts who utilize them to traverse the different parts of the galaxy and enter into alternative universes and dimensional fields with grace. And just as our universe has many locales where space and time is bent beyond normal reality, so too many doorways exist in oneself to access information and achieve tasks at greater speeds than thought possible. These portals, this portal card arrives when the universe is, gosh, I'm going blind here, guys. When this universe is hinting that something you are seeking to accomplish can be done at a much faster rate was than what is assumed possible. Within our universe, there is much magic that defines traditional logic. By becoming aware of one's limited beliefs and shifting one's intentions, life can shift more rapidly and manifestations can occur with grace. Whatever the case now, it is not the time to fear or hold back, but to move forward and allow for the genius of the universe to find you. The wormholes for all your results to come into fruition rapidly. Enter the gateway and don't look back as we are assisting to bring rapid transformation into your life. This speed is not based on anxiety, but in confidence in knowing the secrets and the magic of the universe. So, like I said, I wouldn't look back to this. It's been tainted, it's been dirtied, and you have such a new trajectory coming in. Go towards that new portal. You are the star. And don't be confused about that, because right on the other side of it is the sun. And you will have other options when it comes to your love story, because this one has been soiled. All right? Well, those are your messages, my baby dragons. Sorry I couldn't get through that last card, but I'm, after like 5 readings, I'm a little blind. I did my best. I love you very much, and I will see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye for now.